Hello friends, today I am going to discuss the tax slabs for the assessment year 2024-25 which was the previous year 2023-24. I will provide a complete overview of the tax structure, applicable conditions, rebate and so on. Keep watching our video. Let's start. Today I am discussing tax slabs for individual HUF, AOP, BOI, AGP. There are two types of tax slabs, new regime and old regime. Let's first discuss the new regime. New tax regime for individual HUF, AOP, BOI, AGP under section 115 BAC. Assessment year 2024-25, previous year 2023-24. Up to 3 lakh 0%, from 3 lakh to 6 lakh 5%, 6 lakh to 9 lakh 10%, 9 lakh to 12 lakh 15%, from 12 lakh to 15 lakh 20%, income above 15 lakh 30%. The surcharge is applicable after computing the tax slabs for income above 50 lakhs. I will not discuss this topic here. I will upload a detailed video on this topic in my next video. Okay, after this 4% health and education cess is applicable on the total computation of tax. There are certain conditions for those who opt for new tax regime. For those whose income falls under the business and professional income head, if they once opt for the new tax regime, they cannot switch back to the old regime in the future. However, people with other heads of income such as salary, capital gains, other sources and house property can switch back to the old regime. The following deductions are allowed under the new tax regime for assessment year 2024-25. First one, standard deduction of Rs 50,000. Second one, employer contribution to NPS. Third one, Agniveer Corpus Fund. Fourth one, deduction for generating additional employments. No other deductions are allowed under the new tax regime. Some examples are ATC, HRA, home loan interest, etc. Old tax regime, assessment year 2024-25, previous year 2023-24. There are three categories in this old tax regime. Income tax slab rates for below 60 years. Senior citizen aged 60 to 80 years, super senior citizen over 80 years. 2,50,000 nil rate for all the three categories. 2,50,000 to 5 lakh 5%, 5% nil. 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%, 20%, 20%. Above 10 lakh 30%, 30%, 30%. For the new tax regime, the rebate is available up to 7 lakh. For the old tax regime, the rebate is available up to 5 lakh. The rebate is calculated as per the applicable tax slabs, but it is given as a direct rebate. This means that no tax is payable by the taxpayer. Under the old tax regime, individuals with the taxable income up to 5 lakhs were eligible for tax rebate of 12,500. Under the new tax regime, this rebate has been increased to 25,000 for individuals with the taxable income up to 7 lakh. However, if an individual's taxable income exceeds this limit, no rebate is available. For example, if an individual's taxable income under the new tax regime is 7 lakh and 1 rupee, they will have to pay 25,000 in tax, as this is the tax rate applicable to their income. No rebate is available in this case. The same rules apply to the old tax regime. Kindly note, rebate shall not be allowed for long-term capital gains under section 112A. Rebate shall not be allowed to Hindu undivided families. Rebate shall not be allowed to non-residents. Rebates shall be allowed to long-term capital gains, short-term capital gains under section 111A, casual income, income from lottery. I hope this is helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thank you.